Bonjour, bonjour à toutes et à tous. Alors, comment ça s'appelle déjà? Alors, have you ever seen the rain? Someone told me long ago that there can be a storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, I rain and Sunday, I know, shining down like a water. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on Sunday? Yesterday and day before, sun is cold, rain is hot. I know, been that way for a long time. I forever all this go to the sacrifice. So I know, and I can't stop. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on Sunday?